Traveling can be rewarding but presents challenges like timing airport arrivals, dealing with delays, and managing different accommodations. By avoiding these mistakes, trips can become smoother and more enjoyable. 1. Forgetting a phone charger. One common issue travelers face is forgetting their phone charger, especially when in a rush to pack. Being at the airport without a way to charge a phone can be frustrating, often leading to the need to purchase an overpriced charger at the airport. A useful tip is to keep a dedicated phone charger in a carry-on at all times to avoid this hassle. 2. Lack of research. Not researching a destination beforehand can make travel less enjoyable. It's important to understand the significance of landmarks and historical sites to fully appreciate them. Taking the time to learn about a destination's history and culture in advance enhances the travel experience. 3. Packing shoes without a dust bag. Packing shoes directly with clean clothes can feel unsanitary. A simple solution is to use a dust bag or even a reusable shopping bag to keep shoes separate from other items in the luggage, ensuring cleanliness and organization. 4. Assuming flights won't board early. One lesser known fact is that flights can sometimes board earlier than scheduled if all passengers are checked in. Being at the gate early helps avoid the risk of missing a flight due to early boarding, which can be especially critical for international travel. 5. Overusing room service. While room service can be convenient, especially for business travelers, it can detract from the overall travel experience when exploring a new place. Local restaurants offer a chance to enjoy the destination's unique culinary culture, which is often a key aspect of the trip. 6. Not bringing a lock for hostels. When staying in hostels, not bringing a personal lock can pose a security risk. Hostel-sold locks are often of lower quality, so it's better to bring a durable lock from home for added security when storing personal belongings. 7. Returning from a trip feeling unfulfilled. Travelers sometimes return from trips feeling as though they missed out on key experiences. To avoid this, it helps to create a varied itinerary that balances historical, modern, culinary, and adventurous activities. This ensures a more fulfilling and memorable travel experience. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated with the latest travel tips.